Hi everyone, and welcome back to the virtual classroom where we look, listen and learn together. There are lots of things happening in the world, and at the moment I've been thinking about the things that are happening in the ocean. And there are some sad things happening in the ocean, and there are some happy things happening in the ocean. And when we think about the ocean and the things that are going wrong, there's always ways that we can think about making them better and turning the problem around. And that is called a solution. You can come up with solutions to problems that you might come across. And in the ocean, there's a problem with plastics. There are lots of plastics in the ocean that have ended up there, and they are forming big patches of garbage that fish and turtles and other sea creatures have to swim through. Some people have thought of ways to try and collect that rubbish, try and stop it. And when people do that, that's called an invention. Can you say the word invention? Invention. I'm going to write the word invention on my board. Invention. What is an invention? An invention is something that's new, something that might not have been done before, something creative and innovative. Might be surprising, might be imagined, or it might come true and be real, a real solution or a real invention. Maybe we'll think of some parts that could go in an invention. Maybe a spring. Maybe it bounces. Maybe a wheel to turn. Maybe it has, what else could it have? Maybe a solar panel to power itself. Maybe even a propeller. This could be a transforming invention. What else could this invention have? Maybe even a net. There we go. Lots of different things to connect together to make an invention. Maybe you can think of some other things to go in an invention. I have some items here in my recycled box. You can see, collect different bits and pieces over time. I have some plastic and some milk tops, some rubber bands, some Glad wrap. Someone made me some yummy cake, gave me some cake, which was very nice. So I kept the Glad wrap. This is an egg carton and a net, some bubble wrap, long piece of cardboard. Lots of different things in my recycled box. You might have one of these at home, a recycled box. And it's a place where you can tear things to make new things. You can use scissors, you can use glue, you can use string. Thought maybe today I might try and make an invention from some of these things. Maybe it needs a tall bit on there. This might be the base of my invention. My invention is going to be something to help the oceans. This bag looks good on there. And this looks good down there, attached like that. Maybe I might even connect one of these. That could be the lookout, or I don't know, somewhere to hang some special things on there. And there we go. Where could this go? Maybe that hangs off the side. That's a light to help see what's next to the boat. I'm going to sit my boat And this piece of cardboard here, maybe this is the wheel. Your invention creations can change. Here we go. Do you like the look of my invention that I've made? Maybe this is a special boat that sails through the estuaries, maybe where the river meets the sea, and it keeps an eye out for rubbish. It might also be able to transform and go on land. This might be a big solar sail to help it power itself. This net looks like it might collect a lot of little tiny bits of rubbish. And maybe this looks out for animals in the area to make sure they're protected too. Maybe you can try and make an invention at home yourself using some of those things. I have a book here that talks about inventions. This is Plastic, Past, Present and Future. It's by Yoon-Joo Kim and Ji-Won Lee. It's got some great illustrations in it to inspire your mind. On this page here, it talks about how recycling is not the only thing to help reduce the waste. This person here created a whole new boat made out of plastic bottles. And this person here created a cleanup system in the ocean, which follows the currents and helps use the currents to draw plastic into this area here. Lots of different inventions. You could be creative too and put on your invention cap. Maybe you could have a look in some books for some ideas. Some of these ideas give you some pictures of things that your invention might do. Does it have wheels or a lift? Does it have a turbine to help power it? Maybe it's got someone riding it to give it power. Look forward to hearing about some of your own inventions. Maybe they help protect the land or the ocean. Maybe the forests or the mountains. I'll see you next time. Bye.